So those are the wild ones?
These are the men. They keep them separate from the ladies.
Look at them. He's trying.
Oh, the fence won't stop us from loving.
Okay. She's like, I know it's wrong.
And then this guy's like, no, dude, she's mine. You see that? He like bumped him.
She's like, I don't like you.
Oh, they're both like, come on, hey lady.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
Oh.
Oh, I pet that one.
They're like guinea pigs.
Yeah.
I want a guinea pig.
I'd rather have a potty trained pig. Look how happy this one is. He's like she's having some really good dreams.
She has udders.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of would hate to be a pig.
Well, you can be an indoor pig just like a dog.
Yeah, but like. Oh, nope, I'm not for sale. Can I eat one?
No.
Grandpa can do his magic.
Ah.
I'll tell him to.
So, what fun can we buy?
I think once they're potty trained.
All of them?
Mm-hmm.